Magandang hapon po. Ngayon po ay January 26, 2026 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng January 26, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, January 26, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 26, 2026 Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, January 26, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for January 26, 2026, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.